Today we will be drawing hair. Those are the tools that I'll be using. A little bit of a mix of chromas and copics. I'm using a copic black here because my chroma blacks are well used up and dead, which I really miss because I like the chroma blacks are a little bit more true black. I really like the chroma special black. But anyway, when I do darker hair, I start with black and then go to dark brown. And if I do blonde hair, I kind of start in with like a light sandy brown and then go in darker if I have to somewhere. I think that's the only time that I really mix up doing dark to light. And see, if you get into a pattern, if you get into kind of a motion, like I like to pick a piece of music that moves at a kind of speedy tempo, but pick like a tempo that works for you and start moving your hands at these like little kind of flicking out motions when you do hair, and just move across and you get like these really cool just these really cool movements that you see with the marker on the paper that reflect hair, especially when you're doing like the flared off pieces of hair that maybe go onto the face or go off into the background. And you'll see in the hair of the model here, model Megatron, my friend Megan, she has some reddish, almost red purple in the hair at this moment, and some little blonde elements in there mixed in. So I thought this would be a fun one to try, rather than just a straightforward blonde or brown hair. And see, it's always fun. Like, the thing is even if you're working from a photo, no one knows what the photo is. So have fun. If you draw extra hair here or there, or just have fun with it. No one knows if that hair was supposed to be there or not. So if you go a little bit extra wild, no one's going to correct you and say, I don't think that hair was there. Maybe the model will. Sometimes the model will. But in my experience, if it makes the piece look cooler, no one minds. Now I go in with my white Signo. If you've been watching these videos, you realize I love my white Signo, and I use it very liberally at the end of pieces to draw like where the light catches a hair. And now I'm going in with some colored pencil to do the same. Thank you guys for watching some of these videos. If you like them and you want to see more of them, subscribe. If you want to talk about the videos or you want to give suggestions, please leave comments. I read every single one of them. I respond to most of them. And feel free to share this with anybody who you think might enjoy it. It's always appreciated. Thank you.